Most people still spend days making explainer videos, writing scripts, editing scenes, animating visuals, recording voiceovers. It's exhausting. But what if you could turn a PDF, a random idea, or even a simple prompt into a full whiteboard explainer video in minutes? That's exactly what Golpo AI does. And honestly, this might be one of the smartest AI tools I've tested for creators this year. Let's explore smart AI tools that simplify work, automate tasks, spark creativity, and help you move faster with clear explanations, practical tips, and real workflows. Discover how modern AI tools can save time, reduce effort, and boost creativity through simple explanations, practical examples, and workflows designed for real everyday use. So let's say you're running a YouTube channel. Maybe you make educational content, business explainers, finance videos, science videos, or even faceless documentary-style content. The hardest part usually isn't getting ideas, it's turning those ideas into videos consistently without burning out. And this is where Golpo gets interesting. The entire platform is built around one thing, creating whiteboard-style explainer videos automatically. You can upload a document, a script, slides, course notes, research, or literally just type a prompt, and it generates a complete explainer video with visuals, narration structure, transitions, and animations. So instead of spending hours animating every single scene manually, you're basically starting with an entire finished draft. Now stay with me here, because this is the part most creators are going to care about. Imagine you want to make a YouTube video explaining quantum computing. Normally, you'd need to research the topic, write the script, design visuals, animate concepts, sync audio, and edit everything together. That can easily take an entire week. With Golpo, you can literally paste in your script or prompt something like, explain quantum computing to beginners using simple whiteboard animations. And within minutes, you already have the structure and visuals generated for you. What I really like is that the animations actually feel designed for education. The whiteboard style keeps the viewer focused, and it makes complicated topics easier to understand. That's why this format performs so well on YouTube. People stay watching because the visuals are constantly moving while explaining concepts clearly. And honestly, that's a huge reason faceless educational channels are exploding right now. Now let's talk about another use case that most people completely overlook. Corporate training. Most businesses still create boring onboarding documents nobody reads. Huge PDFs, endless slide decks, internal process documents that employees forget instantly. But with Golpo AI, companies can convert those same materials into engaging training videos automatically. So instead of sending a new employee a 40-page handbook, imagine sending them a short animated explainer video that actually walks them through the process visually. That's a massive difference. And because the tool works with documents directly, companies don't need a full production team to make training content anymore. One person can upload existing material and instantly turn it into something far more engaging. And honestly, this could save companies a ridiculous amount of time, because training content usually takes weeks to produce manually.
Welcome aboard! This training is a support system, not a test. You are not expected to know everything on day one. We focus on 3 things: understanding how the company works, learning your role's core tasks, and knowing where to get help.
Now here's where things get even more interesting for creators who want to scale content production. Automation. Golpo AI can fit directly into workflows powered by ChatGPT Codex, allowing creators to streamline large parts of the content creation process. Imagine a setup like this. Codex helps research topics, organize information, generate outlines, write scripts, and even automate repetitive content tasks. Then Golpo takes that content and transforms it into complete whiteboard explainer videos. Now, let me show you how to use Codex with Golpo. First, download and install Codex on your computer. Once it's ready, open Codex and add the Golpo skills, so it can access all of Golpo's video generation capabilities. After the setup is complete, simply enter your prompt, run the workflow, and let Codex handle the process automatically. In just a few moments, you'll get fully generated videos based on your instructions, making it much faster to create high-quality content with minimal manual work.
Or AI, is technology that helps computers do tasks that usually need human thinking.
That workflow is incredibly powerful, because for most creators, the biggest challenge isn't coming up with ideas anymore. It's turning those ideas into finished content consistently. With Codex handling research and scripting tasks, and Golpo handling video production, creators can dramatically reduce the time between idea and publication. Now, that doesn't mean AI replaces creativity. Far from it. You still need strong concepts, good storytelling, and content people actually care about. But AI can remove a huge amount of repetitive work that normally slows everything down. And that's where tools like Golpo become valuable. Instead of spending days moving from research to script to video production, you can create a much faster workflow where ideas move through the pipeline almost automatically. For creators running multiple channels, publishing educational content regularly, or building content systems at scale, that kind of efficiency can be a massive advantage. Golpo doesn't replace the creator, it helps creators execute faster. And honestly, the interface itself is surprisingly simple. You upload your content, choose how you want the explainer structured, let the AI process everything, and then customize scenes and pacing as needed. The whiteboard visuals feel clean, modern, and optimized for educational storytelling instead of looking overly robotic or generic. That matters a lot, because one of the biggest problems with AI video tools right now is that many of them look obviously AI generated, but the whiteboard explainer format actually works with the AI instead of against it. It feels natural for educational content. Now let's talk about educators and online courses for a second. This might actually be one of the best use cases. If you're a teacher, coach, online instructor, or someone selling digital courses, you already know how time-consuming it is to turn lessons into video content. Recording everything manually takes forever. Editing takes even longer. But with Golpo AI, you can convert lesson notes, PDFs, or presentations into visual explainer lessons much faster. So instead of spending weeks building a course library manually, you can focus more on the teaching side while the platform helps with production. And honestly, schools and universities could use this too. Imagine professors turning lecture notes into short explainer videos students can watch anytime. That's way more flexible than traditional lectures alone. Now, another thing I noticed is that Golpo supports longer coherent videos, up to around 15 minutes, which is actually important for YouTube creators. A lot of AI tools only create tiny clips or short scenes, but educational YouTube content often needs longer explanations and structured storytelling. That's why this stands out. It's designed for actual informational content, not just flashy AI demos. And here's the thing most people miss. We're moving into a phase where creators who know how to combine AI tools effectively are going to scale much faster than creators doing everything manually. Not because the AI is magically better, but because speed matters online. The faster you can test ideas, publish content, and iterate, the faster you grow. And tools like Golpo basically remove friction from the content creation process. Now, obviously, I wouldn't recommend spamming low-quality AI videos just because you can generate them quickly. YouTube still rewards useful, engaging, human-centered content. But if you use a tool like this to improve workflow efficiency while still focusing on quality storytelling, it can genuinely save an insane amount of time, especially for educational creators, especially for faceless channels, and especially for people trying to scale content consistently without building a giant production team. Golpo AI basically turns knowledge into video content faster than most traditional workflows ever could. And honestly, this category of AI tools is only getting started. If you want to check it out yourself, I'll leave the link below and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you'd create using something like this.